you've missed your oil change interval, noticed oil contamination, or can hear noisy hydraulic lifters, then try Nulon Pro Strength Extreme Oil Flush. It's a solvent-free workshop-grade engine flush that provides extreme cleaning power to clean and flush oil contamination, sludge, varnish and deposits from engine surfaces. Suitable for use in both petrol and diesel engines, the advanced formulation delivers an extreme clean for your vehicle's engine and is the ideal solution for removing built-up sludge and contamination in one treatment. Now, just add a full bottle to the old engine oil prior to changing, start the engine and run it idle or drive for at least 15 minutes. Stop the engine, drain the oil while it's warm and install the new oil filter and oil. The solvent-free formula will not harm your engine and is safe to use for every oil change. One 500ml bottle treats up to 8 litres of engine oil. Try Nulon Pro Strength Extreme Oil Flush and get back on the road with confidence.